Okay, so this particular one, we're St. Dominic's is down that way. Sao Paulo Ruins is directly that way. That way there's Portuguese consulate, and then Travessa de Sé, which is a cathedral, is over that way to the right. So basically what we're gonna do is walk towards Sao Paulo Ruins. So we're gonna go directly that way, and we're also gonna be watching for masks, because I'll tell you all about that. But there's no more mask anymore. You don't have to wear it in public. So we're gonna see how many people are wearing masks or not as well, while we walk towards Sao Paulo Ruins that way. So stay tuned. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we are going to walk this way. So let me so let's kind of take a look at masks while we're walking as well. So I think I would say that there was a newspaper story about it recently. They were talking about what people thought about that we don't have to wear masks anymore. Some people, especially foreigners, were like, what? We had to wear masks? Because like 99% of people wore masks anyways. But like I didn't wear them in public. I would always take it off. But anyways, COVID came through. Everybody was wearing a mask, but still like 90% of the people got COVID. So obviously masks were not effective in preventing COVID whatsoever. But once they got rid of the mandate, or whatever it was, the suggestion, some people are like, oh, you know, I wish we could keep the mask because I don't want to get COVID, which is funny because everybody had masks on and 90% got COVID already. Or number two is, well, I got used to the mask, so I'm pretty comfortable with it. And so I just, you know, out of habit, I'd rather just keep it on, which is funny too. And then there's other people are like, yeah, it's better just to be able to not mask up and just be able to put it in there. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down this way. Okay. So I think, let me just kind of take a look. So there are stuff up that way, as you can see, but we're gonna keep walking up towards Sao Paulo Ruins, and we're gonna see what we can all see here. I got the camera setting so it kind of captures more of the lighting at nighttime. So so let me know if that works. I did another one where I kind of tested a little bit, and I went back and forth between two settings. But this one is basically filmed the same day, so it'll have some of the same issues. But I'm gonna stay in the same setting. Down here we have stuff like there's some little side streets that go down. There's this beautiful building right there, and they're also giving away free samples right there as well. So do you want to try? You want to try? There we go. It's good. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going all the way to Sao Paulo Ruins. And we're basically on, we're on kind of Palha Road, and now we're on another one. I think we're at St. Paul Street, I think. Rua de Sao Paulo. Some grand openings. Hello. You want to try that? You want to try that one? You want to try it? No. No? You said no. Oh. You want to try it?
Is your son?
Yeah.
Handsome boy.
Want to try it? Thank you.
Okay.
So they got a grand opening over here. Let me see what this is. This says Sao Paulo 9 store. No loja. So this is all, when they have this, it just means it's a grand opening. They just open it up. So let's wish them success. Okay. So we're gonna keep on going up to Sao Paulo Ruins. We got more stuff up here. Stuff up there. Got a ton of people with suitcases as well, so people are coming out of their hotels, I guess. Actually, there's no hotels around here, so when people come out of the hotels with suitcases here, they're probably buying stuff. So they're probably buying stuff and bringing it back, and they decide that the shopping is, they see a lot of stuff here that they're buying, I think. So yeah, right here, they're bringing suitcases into here. Let's see what they're doing here. Oh, they're gonna sell them, so I guess those are for sale. Okay. Hello. You want to try? No. No? Okay. And there's Paulo ruins straight ahead. Let's go take a look at Paulo ruins. Nighttime. So we're opening up here to Paulo ruins, and it looks kind of dark. Sometimes it's all lit up with different things, but today it doesn't seem to be one of those days. That's all right though. I think I got the settings where I can still bring in the lighting, I think. And I think what we're going to do is, if the lighting is okay enough, we'll keep the camera on and go all the way to the top. So yeah, actually this is, you can see, this is actually like probably the most photographed area of the city by far. Okay, there's Paulo ruins. So I think what we're gonna do is I think we're gonna run up the stairs like Rocky. Let's see if the boys are ready for that. We're gonna run up the stairs. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go. I think I lost him. He's a little bit behind me. There we go. So we got our half view. We'll let him catch up a little bit. There's a fortress up there. You want to run up? Let's run. Here we go. Get some beautiful settings. Then you got the moon all the way up there. We made it. Got a cat directly over there. You can see the cat right there. Right there. Okay. So that's all the way to Paulo ruins. Got a pretty nice view tonight too. You can see Grand Lisboa Casino in the distance. Got a fortress up there. And we are going to come up here and just kind of overlook it, and then we're going to end the video. So that's our video right there. Pretty cool. So we basically went from Budapest and Sao Paulo. So we're at Paulo ruins right now. So how's it going? How are you? Good. And that's our ending. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.